Jesus.
Yeah, man.
So you dream straight. You
The
name
dream.
God, Michelle.
Not me, my mother.
Yes.
Dream.
What time is
And
it?
dream me and tell me say I go look for him.
Yeah.
And tell him say, him a go free. Him a go free. Him too good.
So you didn't get the
Him
message
is
to
a
him?
good man.
You didn't get the message to him?
Yes. We get the message to him. We get the message to him. God is good.
One son,
All the children them love him. And a little bit him doing here. Him do a lot for we. God is good. All the time.
We're not Prince Selassie. We're not broke, we're not hungry again, we're nice again, and be a class now we're good again. Pick up the vibes. And when you get a new class, and be a class, and be a little more, and be a sitting. My belly full again. Be a straight jeans and fit it again. Remember that. And white t-shirt, did it. Powerful, come here, Jesus. Only for clocks again. Only for straight jeans and fit it on them again. We're speaking. One DJ, one Vybz Kartel. Big up Sean Campbell, see him. Yeah, man, the in-law, see him.
Now Nation Vybz Kartel and the other three appellants have won their Privy Council appeal in the UK. It's official. Their convictions were quashed. You see me say, people? And if nobody not understand what that mean, now look on the screen. You see me I say, basically stating that to state officially that something, especially an earlier official decision, is no longer to be accepted. You know what I mean? And the handing out of that decision was this morning at 11 a.m. Yes, so me I said Jamaica time. And watch where I go on, people. Watch where I go on. In the beginning of the video, I want to say some people celebrate and rejoice. Yes, so me I said those were residents of the Waterford, Gaza region. Trust me, it is an ecstatic vibe going on right about now. In the community, everybody is celebrating. Everybody is celebrating. Cause here we go on. It's a major win. It's a major win for Vybz Kartel and the appellants. So me I say, and for Isaac Buchanan and for Bert Samuels and Vybz Kartel legal team. It's a major win, a huge win. You know what I mean? Me know who for either hurt them right about now. Me know who for either hurt them right about now. But enough of them time, a Vybz Kartel time now. See? Now me have two more videos where I go play for you. You see me I say, well basically I go explain to you. You see me I say what really took place this morning. One is from Dean Jackson Miller and the other is from Lisa Everseen. So we're gonna just jump into that, play them few videos there for you. Make you see what I go on, and a few more posts where Vybz Kartel make to him Instagram page. We're gonna show you that too also. So right after these videos, now go see the post them. We'll come talk about it and things. So here goes.
Conviction has to be quashed before you could have the question of a retrial. But the whole point is, as the judge said, the Court of Appeal is now going to decide if Kartel and the other three are going to be tried again. Yeah. In other words, this could, if the Court of Appeal says yes, there's going to be a retrial, this could start all over again from scratch in the Supreme Court, meaning selection of jurors, meaning presentation of the evidence, submissions, everything, everything that's involved in a new trial. So it's not over yet by a long shot. It is obviously a big victory for Kartel and his team because now they have another shot. But we have to wait for the Court of Appeal to see what it is they're going to decide, if they're going to say this needs to go to a retrial or not. If there's no retrial, then they would go free. But if there is a retrial, then the question is going to be, are they going to get out on bail or are they going to be held pending the retrial? So there are a lot of issues yet to be decided.
There's some confusion about the Privy Council's decision in the Vybz Kartel case. So this is what we know so far from his attorney, Isaac Buchanan, who was in the courtroom in London when the decision was read. I just spoke with him. Attorney Buchanan says this is a victory for Kartel and his three co-defendants because the convictions were quashed. But this does not mean that they will all go free right away. That's because the Privy Council referred the case back to the Jamaican Appeals Court. I asked him, does this mean Kartel and the co-defendants will be released pending the Jamaican court's decision? about a retrial, and he says they will remain behind bars at least until a new hearing date is set and an application made. I expect to be talking with Mr. Buchanan again this afternoon. We'll get more details about this and how this is all going to play out, but he says the decision does not involve the release of Kartel and the 3 other men at this particular time. That's the latest from here in the Fox 5 newsroom in New York, and we'll have much more for you as the day goes on.
No nation on no sip on no screen right about now. You see me, I said this is a screenshot taken from Vybz Kartel Instagram page. He posted this and he captioned it and he said victorious, and he mentioned Isaac Buchanan and he said anytime now, hashtag quashed, hashtag boss off, hashtag 238. And then people now see another one, you see me I say, and this one is basically a screenshot, you see me I say, from an article posted on the BBC News website. And we basically see where it say Vybz Kartel Jamaica dancehall star murder conviction overturned, and he posted that also, and he then captioned it and he said victorious. He then again mentioned Isaac Buchanan and he said anytime now, hashtag BBC, hashtag quashed, hashtag boss off, hashtag 238, hashtag Privy Council. Now people, wanna get a full-on explanation from Dion Jackson Miller and Lisa Evers. Wanna understand what them say? Vybz Kartel is not yet released. You see me I say the decision was handed down, that you see me I say the conviction was quashed, so the Privy Council sent it back to the Jamaican Court of Appeal. You see me I say, so the decision now is whether or not they should give a retrial or they should just acquit them. You understand? So it's all in the hands of the Jamaica Court Appeal now. You see me I say? If it is said that they should get a retrial, possibly they could get bail. Possibly they could get bail. You see me I say? Because you don't know. Yeah, it's a retrial now, so yeah, them can get bail. Possibly. You understand? But if there is no retrial, trust and believe me, they shall be free. You see me I say? They shall walk free, I should say. But big up Isaac Buchanan. You see me I say? I was really confident. Never a nervousness in me this morning when I watched the live, the actual what I call it now, the courtroom hearing. And big woman thing, I gotta be really honest with you. I believe it was a honest and fair decision by the Privy Council, and I really appreciate the fact that they took the time to really look deep into this situation or this matter, because trust me, Vybz Kartel was tried wrongfully and unfairly, and with this win at the Privy Council, it just goes to show you say Vybz Kartel was getting a serious fight in Jamaica, so he had to take it overseas and he won, and they basically sent it back to Jamaica. So the decision is whether them should get a retrial or they should just let them go. You see me I say, people, and as me say, if there is a retrial, possibly they will get bail. So whether any way you want to take it or any way you want to put it, road is a must, freedom is a must for Vybz Kartel and the other 3 appellants. You see me I say? So you don't know, me have to just, boy, me I tell you, at this moment me have to take a pause a while ago. I'm really feeling good in myself. For know say, boy, we are advocate for this and we'll finally get it. You see me I say that long awaited decision where we did things I got take 3 months. You see me I say it was handed down today at 11 a.m. and trust and believe me, as me say, there wasn't a nerve of nervousness in my body this morning, because what you are going, me know say Isaac Buchanan know where I do. I am confident in Isaac Buchanan and Bert Samuels and the legal team. You see me I say, and we see the real reason why Vybz Kartel hire Isaac Buchanan. Isaac Buchanan is the definition of confidence. His character speaks for itself, and you have to give him that. You understand? Not dismissing the other attorneys in the past who represented Vybz Kartel, but what I'm saying, Isaac Buchanan has done a tremendous job, including Bert Samuels and the rest of the attorneys on the legal team. You see me I say, And people will have to also big up. You see me, I said the UK based attorney Hugh Southey. He also represented Vybz Kartel in the Privy Council appeal. You know what I mean? So we have to just, you know what I mean, give them people their maximum respect. You know what I mean? Each and every one of them, we have to give them their maximum respect. And Gaza Nation and Sleep Nation, may I tell you no, this is a great achievement for Vybz Kartel. It may not seem like an achievement, but it is an achievement, because the man finally approved to the world, say, yo, Jamaica justice system is bullcrap. You see how fast the world received the news? Within matter of minutes, the whole world, BBC, all of these top tabloids all over the world got the story, because they were all waiting and they were all anticipating. And I mean, and big up Lisa Evers, because I tell her she covered the story from them time there until it reached to this point. So we have to really big up Lisa Evers and Fox 5 for covering the story. You see me, say, people? So Gaza Nation, it's official. Vybz Kartel has won. You see me, I say, it's Privy Council appeal. It's official. Seeing, people? So watch what I go on now. Me make you get a full-on explanation from Dean Jackson Miller and Lisa Evers. So me not think me need to do no more explanation. As I say. So this is where I'm going to end the update. If you have anything to say, feel free to leave it in the comment section. You never can tell, probably your comment can spark a next update. Remember to like the video, watch the video, share the video, like the playlist, watch the playlist, share the playlist, and don't forget, people, watch the ads. Seeing? Big up Gaza Nation, big up Sleek Nation, big up Vybz Kartel, big up Sean Storm, and big up the other appellants. So me I say, people, you don't know. I'm out.